Hi, welcome to ClickMyProject.com.
Now we discuss about the topic of dynamic optimal power flow for active distribution network. Abstract. Active distribution network is an important to operate the distribution network with high penetration. The power flow is used to find the power loss and maximum power in distribution network. That is help to maintain the power in distribution network. There are so many techniques used to optimization the power flow in distribution network. So concept of our project in proposed we to use the optimization algorithm find the power level of distribution network. Using this optimization, which place of DG is added in the which type of PV or wind farms you have to use. So the how you have to use this kind of way to maintain the power distribution. This is our concept. In existing, it's a normal use of optical flow method and find the power in buses system and manually find the bus and produce the low amount of power is produced. So after we change the TG in place, it take more time and high work stress monitoring larger bus system. In proposed we have to find power level using normal power flow algorithm. We get the power of each system, and using this power flow we use heuristic optimization to find which place you have to replace the TG in maintain power flow of distribution. That optimization algorithm reduce the time find the power of distribution network. In mainly block diagram, you have to use bus system and load line all the data, find the power flow, optimize the power flow, find the power loss places and place the DG. So this is the basic block diagrams. Modules IEEE bus system, power flow, demand response and optimization. In power flow, most difficult and computational task inverting Jacobian matrix. In factorization, full matrix is on order of n3 operation. Meaning of amount computation increase the cube of the size of problem. This amount of computation can be decreased substantially by recognizing the space of matrix and Jacobian of the process. So this element of the optimization in demand response of can perfect sense. So some formulas also you have to use. That formulas solve the objective function and condition for charging and discharging. So this kind of way you have to use the power flow for to maintain how to active the distribution network. This is our process. This is our power loss reduces for using PS1 ACO optimization techniques. For this our source code is a main.yaml file. You have to select and run. So GUI you have to design this model. This is our whole bus and type of way. Three kind of data: bus data, line data and power flow. This power flow you have to separate data like generation of load and generation of line loss of minimum and maximum of power, and heuristic algorithms you have to use. Before optimization 43 heuristics you have to apply means it will be come across the level of occurrence is the current cost iteration. So the iteration level do the process, it will be processed, so it will be also analysis. So the iterations of 39.82.9 4.054 iteration it will be calculated. So this is automatically it will be loaded. So wait please 2 minutes. So the iteration of x-axis, the best value of y-axis. So total 23 iteration it will be come. After it will be a next process going on. After apply you have to the current iteration level you have to implement the PSO. So after PSO applied the particle swarm optimization final result you have to compare both the heuristics. So if you want to implement for any other algorithms of related ACO only you have to apply. So this way you have to analyze. So the iteration point it will be go up to the how many iteration current cost you have to reduce. This level it will be come across related the values. After the heuristic optimization, the some value it will be stored on command window and workspace, although the variables given variables will be stored. So after you have to apply the PSO, so comparison both of heuristic and PSO, it will be a constant ranges. So I will apply for PSO means that PSO you have to click this button. So approaches of versus G best. So the approaches of x-axis is a y-axis. The particle of dynamics it will be on up to 100 values near to the x-axis of 60s. So after the final result also you have to apply. So the approach and verse of G best optical operations it will be going for this ranges. Final result. So after optimization for heuristic and PSO, this level it will become. So this is our heuristic needed and achievement, and this is our operation level and current cost is, and current cost of PSO needed and PSO operation and approaches. This is our whole process of this power reduced of power flow action.